Welcome to Supercrew. We have a new JCB ride-on excavator.
Yippee!
Whoa, Super Kid! This is an awesome excavator! We have a broken pipe and we have a flower bed to fill with mulch. Are you ready today, Super Kid?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Drive over the dirt ramp and head over to the construction site. We are going to use our loading bucket and excavator claw. There is a hole.
All right, Super Kid, go ahead and back it up. A little bit more and stop. Alrighty, Super Kid, let's go ahead and flip this seat around so we can use this excavator claw.
Great job!
There is a broken pipe. We need to find it so we can replace it. Can you go ahead and dig?
It's time to dig!
This JCB excavator seat turns around so you can sit and use the backhoe claw. Let's watch some excavators as Super Kid keeps digging. Construction sites use backhoes and excavators to dig deep holes. Or they just move dirt around for new building sites. And the digger can be fitted with wrecker claws to do demolition work.
Whoa, Super Kid! What's that?
A pipe!
Super Kid found it! Awesome, go ahead and get it out.
Broken already, right here.
Oh no, we need to fix that.
Yahoo!
Whoa, we found the sand pit, Super Kid. There might be a new pipe in there. Let's go and dig it out.
Yeah!
Dig in the sand. Thankfully, our JCB excavator claw is easy to use. It has a scooping lever to fill and dump, and holding bars to control where you move the arm.
Hooray!
Hey, look! I can see the pipe we need. Okay, keep digging a little more. This excavator is filling up a dump truck. Hey, it's a real JCB excavator using the backhoe to move trash. Super Kid, this is your construction truck at work. It's pushing the dirt. Just like real backhoes, our JCB excavator has fun controls to operate the back digger and a front loading and scooping bucket.
This is the new pipe.
Let's go ahead and take it now and go plant it back in the hole. Come on!
We're stuck in the sand. We need help. Thanks, Super Dad. Hey, can you bury the new pipe?
Now, bury it.
Looks good. Use the front loader bucket to fill the hole. Great work. Now we need to use the bucket to scoop up mulch. Go full speed down the dirt ramp. I see the mulch pile. Now lift up the mulch bucket and take it over to the mailbox. Good job! The loading bucket is so much fun. He is using the bucket to bulldoze the mulch and scoop it up. And this JCB excavator has 2 locks to support the weight for the bucket.
Spread the mulch.
Great work! Let's watch more construction trucks use the front loader. Front loaders are excellent at moving heavy waste into big piles. Or, if you have a big dirt pile, it will move that too. Our JCB excavator is the best and fully equipped to bulldoze your dirt or trash away. It will even load a dump truck. The Super Brothers are ready to work. We're gonna scoop the leaves now, right? Lever down. Cool. Great job. What are you doing?
Whoa, that was an awesome job today, Super Kid. We fixed the pipe and we got the mulch done. Great job.
Bye, Trevor. case you like construction trucks, give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye!
Beep, 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 beep. Is that your horn? Honk, honk. Ready to go? Safety first. Buckle up, supers.
I'm gonna put the pipe in.
That's a great idea. Why don't you put it in your bucket, your scooper? It's big enough for that.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?